WB, what a fantastic aircraft. Now if you're sitting there, you're the head of a company, and you want to invest a little money in a nice project, then come and see us in the commentary box, because they need support for engineering, they need support for fuel, they need some money to keep going. Now, what a fantastic project that will be to ally your company to that wonderful aircraft, knowing that you're keeping that aircraft the only one flying, the only B-17 flying in Europe. Now, without that support, that aircraft may be sold, may be grounded, and that would be a tragedy. So, anybody out there wants to get involved in a major project, then come and see us. We'll put you.
While the rest of the show is now starting up, he'll probably stop right in front of the tower, maybe to the left, and when the man comes down from the aircraft, maybe you could wave your hands and wave your hats and clap your hands and applaud this great aviator. Yeah, the pilots who flew them during the war, and it's been said that if one aircraft has been responsible for a major event in the world, it is the Spitfire. Even if historically speaking, the hurricane was more important fight of 1940 during the Battle of Britain. The Spitfire has been decided as the aircraft which saves democracy. And you could say so. One day I was making a film about this place, and we went to the archives, the National Archives, and we found 1,000 hours about the Spitfire coming from the war period against only 340 hurricanes. And so it demonstrates what the Spitfire is. It's a legend, and it's fit to open this airshow called Flying Legend. It's fit to open it with Spitfire. Opening something is a step of grade, opening the canopy of his aircraft, and he's going to stand up in the cockpit, and that's the precise moment where you should clap your hands and make a standing ovation to the man. The man who dreamed about organizing something called Flying Legends. greatly transformed with years and getting more and more horsepower, getting heavier all over. It was the basic quality of the position where all the more than when you were a pilot and when you board one line for the first time, you turn around, you have this square canopy which is seen from the side, and when you close it, then you make it and you're locked inside, and it's very difficult. Position inside the it's very much and it's like one as you know, or you may know, when you take off a landing aircraft, usually you do that facing the prevalent wind, the wind of the moment, and just like the B-17 is doing now, is taking off, facing the wind. It's of the world, in Airfield. It's a wide expanse of grass where you can land adjusting your trajectory according to the wind. So you can land. The B-17 is
Tribute to the guys that came over all those years ago. From the girls from Manhattan to Manhattan Docks. And Sally B, piloted by Peter Kuiper's flight first officer. Switch.
These B-70s were bombers during the war to the heart of Germany. They were escorted by what they called cross around and we go to Long Island who at the age of 20 had a car. But they were flying this kind of big, huge machine. 10 men inside the B-17, that was a crew. Missions, bombing missions over Germany, and the crew returned intact, and the aircraft returned intact, and so they became used by the press. They became bold enough to fly on such a